Frentzen then, he needs a clear lap. He's not yet in the race, up to 160 miles an hour before turning into La Source, just 35. Run over the rain gully, try and get the car straight, and then apply the throttle. Very, very cool and calm so far for Frentzen. Eau Rouge coming up 180 miles an hour, 185 now, click the curb on the left, make sure you touch the curb on the right, pop over the crest into Radion. Again, calm for Frentzen. Now listen how long the engine is in 7th gear, maximum rev, climbing up the hill towards Lecumbe, 205 miles an hour, down to 3rd gear. He plucks it on the apex, 85 miles an hour now, building up to 105. You can sweep through Malmedy in 4th gear, lean on the curb on the exit, up to 170 miles an hour before breaking downhill into Rivage, 2nd gear, 70 miles an hour. Despite the camber, you can't get on the power too early. Now catapult into turn 9, 135. It beckons you, but you have to be cautious. They didn't get on the power early, now heading downhill once again to Pouan, up to 185 miles an hour in 6th gear, down to 140, turn in early. Let the car sweep wide. Now you should not have to lift the throttle again before the exit. 170 miles an hour, building to 190, bring the car to the left for Fagnes, 3rd gear. Frentzen's only in 4th at the moment, 85 miles an hour. Takes another one on the apex, now catapults into the first part of Stavelot, which is just 70 miles an hour through the apex. Coming over the 2nd timing point now, 150 miles an hour. Surprisingly, a little lift there from Frentzen. This is where Fisichella went off in the warm-up for his huge accident. Now it's very, very fast, building up to 195 miles an hour through the left kink before Blanchemont. Again, a slight lift for Frentzen, 195 now going through the exit, and throw out the anchors before the bus stop. Trying to hang on to the back end of the car, makes his own racetrack on the way through the first part of the bus stop. 2 more curbs to launch across on the exit, and over the start-finish line. The driver should have to pay for this privilege.